Hello friends, my name is Harshika. My today video about the Kundalini and Kaaba. The previous video I explained about the Kundalini and Kaaba. This video it's about the Kundalini and Kaaba. So what is Kaaba? The Kaaba, Kaaba and Kundalini, these three are exactly same. These three are one. If you know the meaning of the Kundalini awakening means reach in the stage of non-duality. If you know the meaning of the Kaaba, the geometrical structure, the geometrical layers, the yantra which is formed inside us and projected in the outer world, this is the Kaaba, the system of the 12 chakra. And those of you not seeing my video on Kaaba, so you can see my previous video. So the Kaaba meaning is exactly same like the Kaaba and exactly same like the Kundalini. So when the Kaaba is forming start, when the Kundalini reach the stage of crown chakra, and you cross the two stages of Kundalini, the stages of the self-realization and the stage of the self-stabilization. So in the end stage of the dark night of soul, when you are awaken your 12 chakras, your 12 chakras is the golden chakra, the silver chakra, you know about the 7th chakra, the 7th is the crown chakra, 8th chakra is present between the throat and the heart chakra. This is the golden chakra. The 9th chakra is present between the third eye and the crown chakra. It's also known as the medulla chakra, the silver chakra. The 10th chakra, the 10th chakra is present on the right side. It's a 6 inches above. It's a soul star chakra. The 11th chakra is a galactic chakra, which is present in the right side, which is control the right side of the body, 6 inches above the galactic chakra. The 12th chakra is a stellar gateway. It's a 12 inches above our head. So when you are awaken these 12 chakra, you are make the Markhabic layer. So then the Kaaba formation is started. Kaaba means the zero duality or the non-duality. So when the Kundalini is reach the crown chakra and you awaken the 12th chakra, the Kundalini is always moving in a spiral form. The spiral in your body, the Kundalini is always spinning force. The Kundalini is a spinning energy. The meaning of the Kundalini is a divine mother. Kundalini is a divine mother, and the Kaaba is a tree of life. The tree of life. There is another reversal of Kaaba is a tree of death. So the Kaaba is a tree of life, just same like Markaba. The Markaba is actually the tree of life, and the Kundalini is a divine mother. So when the Kundalini is actually spinning in the spiral form in the entire body, the Kundalini creates the tree consciousness, means the three types of waves. Each and every spinning rotation of the Kundalini, it's create the three spinning force. The three types of energetic waves, which is known as tree consciousness. Let go deep about the tree consciousness. Tree consciousness is actually the three flames, three folder flames. When the Kundalini is spinning in the rotation form, the Kundalini emits three type of waves, which is known as tree consciousness, and these three types of waves is just like three folder flames, three types of flame. So these three type of flames are the three colors. The first color is a blue, aqua blue, which give the 13D consciousness. The next color of the Kundalini is the golden color, which gives the 4D consciousness. And the third type of color is a violet color, which gives the 15D consciousness. So these three waves create the Trinity in mind. The Trinity means the Holy Father, Holy Mother and the Holy Child are in union. Your soul is a union with the Divine Father and the Divine Mother. There is a reunion with your Divine Family. Just like you are the Divine Father, the Holy Father is Shiva, is inside you in a crown chakra. The Holy Mother is a Shakti, the Kundalini is present, and the Divine Child is represent the violet ray. These you is reunited with your Divine Family. So this is the tri-wave, the tri consciousness, the end of duality. So when you are reunite with your Divine Family, you are the Divine Child, you are reunite with Holy Father and the Holy Mother, you're inside Shiva and the inside Shakti. So these create the big transformation in you, the big transformation. So this is the Kaaba. This is the mystic Judaism science. This is a Kaaba, and the Kaaba is actually explain about the 12 tree consciousness, 12 tree grid. When you awaken your Kundalini and awaken these 12 chakras, you actually making the tree of life. And this tree of 12 chakra is actually the replicated or the microcosmic view of the macrocosmic universe. So when you create the union with your Divine Father, Divine Mother, and you, the divine children, all are together, this create the zero polarity or the non-polarity. This create when the tri-waves of Kundalini is emitted, the three flames are emitting, it's create the union with your Divine Family, and this union and complete end of the duality of mind. In this opposite, if I talk about the opposite of these waves, the Kaaba is a tree of life. So there is a opposite tree. The opposite tree is the tree of death. In the tree of death, there is a bi waves or the bi consciousness is emitting. When the bi waves are emitting in the brain, with these bi waves, our brain is split into parts. But when the tree waves are emitting, our brain is start union. What is the bi wave? The bi wave is creating the splitting of mind, just like the unconscious is split with the shadow self and the collective unconscious mind. Our mind is splitting into subconscious, unconscious, and the consciousness. So these are the bi wave, which always creating the separation in our mind. So when the bi wave is emitting, when you are in a when someone abused you or you have the traumatic history, every single time someone scold you, insult you, or the physically abuse you, that time the bi waves are emitting in brain, and your brain starts splitting, because in a physical self you can't do that, you can't be defense yourself. So your all emotions are going in the subconscious mind, and that time the bi waves are emitting. So the bi waves create the splitting of mind. But when the Kundalini reach the crown chakra and you are awakened the 12 chakras, so each and every spin of Kundalini create the tree consciousness, the three type of waves. The first type of wave is the blue wave. So the blue wave is represent the Holy Mother. The next type of wave is the golden waves, which represent the Holy Father, and the third type of waves is a violet flame, so which represent you. So there is a union of the Divine Father, Divine Mother, and the Divine Child inside you. Your soul, your higher self, is reunited with their Divine Father and Divine Mother. Divine Father is Shiva, Shakti, and your soul are together. So this is the meaning of the Kaaba. As I told, the meaning of the Markaba, Kaaba, and Kundalini, these three are all one. These three have the exactly same meanings, but the difference of the religion, but the meaning, the spiritual meaning of all three are same. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like my channel, kindly subscribe, share and comment my video. And thank you so much those of you supporting me in my Patreon links. Thank you very much. And just oh no, where is my phone? So thank you so much for watching my channel. And one of you asking me the question about the consciousness. Just wait. Yes, one of you asking me the question about the consciousness. What is the difference between the consciousness? What is the 3D, 5D or the 7D consciousness? So the consciousness is depend upon the chakras awakening. When you awaken your heart chakra, your thoracic chakra and the third eye chakra, your consciousness is shift into 3D, into 4D and into 5D when your chakras are awakened. So it's depend upon the consciousness. So when you are awaken your 12th chakra, your consciousness is 12D. When you awaken your 10th chakra, your consciousness is 10D. So thank you so much for likes and my video. If you want to see this video in a Hindi, you can subscribe my another channel, which the links are given below. And thank you so much those of you supporting me in a Patreon links. Thank you so much the Girja Bear, the Patreon supporter, and those of you interesting me in a private reading, in a private session, and you can all information are given below. So thank you so much for watching.